Now, the horrific New Year party murder of 19-year-old Janhvi Kukreja has shocked India's investigations in the New Year party killing have revealed that Janhvi lay in a pool of blood for close to 1.5 hours before she was taken to the hospital. All of this transpired on a rooftop New Year party at a high-rise building in Khar West. Janhvi allegedly saw two of her friends, Shri Jogdharkar and Diya Padankar, in a compromising position. Janhvi objected and an argument broke out between the three. According to the police, Janhvi was pulled by her hair and brutally assaulted. The post-mortem reports revealed scratches and injuries all over her body and private parts. Mark of a sharp object hitting her head also has been found. CCTV footage of the building revealed that Shri had left the building alone with bloodstains on his clothes, and they are left with someone else. Two accused, Shri Jogdharkar, aged 22, currently hospitalized, and Diya Padankar, aged 19, have been remanded to police custody till January 7th. To what her parents have to say. Janhvi was killed on New Year Eve at a high-rise building in Khar, where her body was found lying in a pool of blood. Apparently, what had taken place was that Janhvi had seen two of her friends in a compromising position on the rooftop of the building, and she objected and they assaulted her to a level where they left her lying in a pool of blood. Let's listen in to what Janhvi's parents have to say.
क्या डिमांड रखी गई और कैसा रिस्पांस अभी तक इन्वेस्टिगेशन को लेकर के पुलिस की तरफ आपको लग रहा है?
रिस्पांस तो हमें बहुत ही अच्छा मिला है. मतलब आई कांट बिलीव कि लोग इतने सामने आ रहे हैं हमारे. और सर से भी जब अंदर बात हुई है, उन्होंने मुझे अश्योरिटी दी है कि निधि जी, ये आपकी बेटी नहीं है, ये मेरी बेटी है. उन्होंने क्लियरली मुझे बोला है कि शी इज़ माई डॉटर. सर आगे आए हैं, सब लोग आगे आ रहे हैं. रिस्पांस तो हमें बहुत, मुझे इतनी खुशी हो रही है कि लोग आ रहे हैं और मेरी बेटी को जस्टिस देना चाह रहे हैं. इन्वेस्टिगेशन बहुत प्रॉपर चल रहा है. पुलिस ऑफिशियल्स, जो हमने सुना था कि महाराष्ट्र पुलिस, मुंबई पुलिस, दे आर डूइंग अ वंडरफुल जॉब. जब से ये मर्डर हुआ है, एक दिन वो लोग ने इन्वेस्टिगेशन छोड़ा नहीं है. Continuous, they've been following up, interrogations, everything. Everything is going very well.
There is still some unanswered questions.
Of course, there are many unanswered questions, sir.
There are a lot many issues.
There are a lot many issues.
Disclose at times because the
investigation is on.
Which is why all that is being looked at, and I'm sure that they will come out with everything in a very rational way, because the main thing is 302 उन्होंने जो कलम लगा दी है, that shows that it was an attempt to murder by the two accused. So it's an open setup and an open arrangement, and I'm sure there are few areas that need to be addressed yet. Of the watchman का जो statements है, जो वहाँ पर उस पार्टी में जिसने पार्टी होस्ट किया था, सम आहूजा फैमिली, उनका स्टेटमेंट्स है. तो ये अन्य जो बातें हैं उस पर कुछ गौर करना था. तो उस पर हमारी जो सोच है, मिसेस निधि की जो सोच है, वो हमने कमिश्नर जी को, विश्वास नांगरे पाटिल जी को हमने बताया. अभी हम गृह मंत्री जी से भी मिल रहे हैं, अनिल जी से. सो दीज आर फ्यू थिंग्स. इनफैक्ट उन्होंने खुद कहा कि भाई आप चूंकि माँ हो तो आपको ज्यादा पता होगा कि किस एस्पेक्ट्स में ज्यादा हमें रोशनी डालनी चाहिए. तो आप भी हमें वो बताएं ताकि हम भी उस दिशा में और तरीके से काम कर सके पूरी तरह.
What is the appeal you are making with the kind of gruesome incident which has taken?
The appeal I am making is justice for my daughter. जो भी आरोपी है, अगर इसमें they are the murderers, they should not be left scot free. उनको कड़ी से कड़ी सजा मिलनी चाहिए, क्योंकि जो आगे का जनरेशन है, जो आगे जो माँ बाप अपने बच्चों को बाहर भेजेंगे, they have to be safe. The children have to be safe.
The advocate Steven is also with us. Steven, the word with you, the investigation as far as which has progressed, if you have read the remand copy, the sequence of events are not clear. What are the demands which you are making as of now with the Mumbai?
See, the investigation by the agency is being done thoroughly, whether it be forensic analysis or forensic team had reached within 30 minutes at the spot when the incident was reported to the agency, that is the Khar police station, whether it be forensic analysis, medical evidence, circumstantial evidence, the investigation agency is collecting everything and they're going to put up a strong and watertight case, and we will assess the prosecution and make sure justice prevails.
Was Janhvi Kukreja's family and lawyer who had met the Mumbai Police Commissioners. A sensitive case, a gruesome crime which has come to light, and the police is investigating the exact sequence and motive behind the murder. With camera person Mangesh Ambre, Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.